So let's go to the startup page, and here we will add our repositories to the services that are passed into the method as argument. So after our connection string, I'll add another service, so services dot, but how do I actually add a country interface into the service? Well, we add it along with its implementation. So we need to add the iCountry repository as well as the implementation in the country repository. For that, we use add scoped extension. So instead of just add, we'll do add scoped. And here we will specify the interface. So in our case, it's iCountry repository. And we also need to specify the implementation of the iCountry repository, which is in country repository class. And that's it. A service has been added. So let's try again. I'm going to build the project. I got one succeeded, and I still see my IIS Express running. So I don't even have to run the app anymore. I can go straight to the Postman. And let's run the API/countries again. Now, if your IIS is not running, you of course need to run the app. So either press the green button for the IIS Express for the debug mode, or Control F5 to run the app. But my IIS was running and I got all the countries. Our first API call that was successful. Hooray, we got the list of countries. So obviously our API call is working, but note that they also are ordered alphabetically, not by the ID, because we did the order by. But also note that we are getting the authors along with the countries. And that's because authors list is the navigational property inside the country class. Our call returns everything from that class, including the list of authors, which of course is empty. We do have authors in the database, but our call only retrieved the countries from the DB context, so authors are null. Now it wouldn't really matter, but frankly, when we make a call to retrieve the countries, we don't really want to also have a list of authors returned to us. So what do? Well, we will create data transfer objects, or DTOs. Basically, we will create a simplified class of the country class that will contain only the properties we want to retrieve.